Welcome back to PICE Gurukul Career Cosmos. This podcast is for the career aspirants who seek compact information on career opportunities. Today's special is BCom, Bachelor of Commerce. It is a 3-year undergraduate degree program imparted in full-time as well as in distance online mode. BCom is highly prioritized course under the commerce stream as maximum commerce students enroll into a BCom course at the UG level. Students have BCom and BCom Honors as two options. In BCom Honors, a student has the option to specialize in a specific subject like accounting, corporate, etc. In BCom Regular or General, a student is given an overview of all the subjects taught in the honors course. The primary focus of the BCom degree course is to impart education across commerce and finance subjects. Candidates can even choose elective subjects during this 3-year degree course. 3 years of BCom degree is divided into 6 semesters with topics including financial accounting, corporate, economics, company law and secretarial practice, auditing, taxation, business management, etc. BCom marks as the gateway to a career in commerce, finance, accounting, banking and insurance. Few BCom students also consider the course as Plan B while preparing for CA, CS, CMA and other courses. After completing BCom, students can pursue a career in teaching, management, advertising, journalism, mass communication, law and many more sectors. Let us understand the eligibility criteria. The candidate should have studied PU Commerce in class 12th, PUC second year. Even the students from other branches like arts, science are also eligible, but more priority is given to the commerce students. The candidate must meet a minimum cutoff criteria for admission to the college applied. Here, the cutoff marks is different in each college, university, and it is totally based on the college. So if you want to focus on the jobs and recruiters, after completing the degree, the student can pursue post-graduation in commerce, accounting and finance. The courses like post-graduation in commerce, that is MCom, MBA, CA, CS, CMA are the good options. Even the various postgraduate courses like post-graduation diploma courses are also available. BCom graduates can also prepare for competitive exams for appointment in the government sector. But those who wish to start working immediately after completing the BCom course can find various jobs at the junior level in accounting, commerce, banking and finance and related fields. They can also seek jobs in public sector undertakings, also hired by accounting and auditing firms as well as banks and insurance companies. BCom graduate can work as junior accountant, account executives, business executives, financial analyst, tax consultant, financial consultant, account manager, business consultant, etc. Even there's a huge opportunity in banking sector. Dear students, all the best. Thank you for listening to the podcast by PICE Gurukul Career Cosmos. I hope this was informative and met your expectations. Subscribe the channel, click on notification icon to get the regular updates on career courses. Like, comment and share this. That's all for this episode. See you next time. Be good, do good, good day, take care and thank you.